Hi, my name is Dan Morgan. I am the president of Morgan Contracting Incorporated from Avon, Connecticut. We are a design, build, remodeling company serving the Farmington Valley area. We specialize in large additions, small additions, kitchens, bathrooms, all manners of projects. Our current projects include 2 kitchen remodels, a master bath, and a walk-in closet addition over a garage accessed by the existing bedroom. We are just completing a 6-month restoration of this house in the historic district of Farmington. This house was built in 1830 as a tenant house for workers to a large landowner. We gutted most of the house to get down to the structural components. All rotted structural lumber has been replaced. While trying to keep the historic look to the house, we renovated the kitchen and 3 bathrooms. Windows and doors were replaced with energy-efficient ones. Central air was added to the house. Extensive drainage was added around the house. The detached garage was renovated with a concrete slab replacing the original wood floor. New sheathing, siding, trim, garage doors, and electrical service were also added. On the original house, all electrical has been upgraded. As a design, build, remodeling company, we work closely with the homeowner to design what they're trying to do and work within their budget.